him, yeah. What's gonna stream me failing at life?
Nah, you got it.
Me and bro time over here.
Yes.
Está coño.
Yes.
Esto está perfecto para ese trabajo.
But the thing you bought wasn't gonna work?
Don't fit.
Diablo.
Look at that, yo. Perfect, yo. Hasta con esto, mira. Este tenía ahí de más.
Diablo. What you want to do? Let's go. 2 people just came in. That's 1?
Yeah.
That's 2?
The other one, the harder one is right there.
Shit. Yo, 20 people in here. What the hell?
How many?
20.
He was waiting for you to go live with there.
What, got top of this? What? 20 people. Wait, who just joined? Somebody just joined. What was the name? Cartoon?
Yeah,
Yo, what's up, Cartoon? Welcome to the stream. Let me open my Twitter. Hey, yo. Yo, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the stream, bro. Cartoon Hub. Want some? Dirty ass hands, boy.
Got dirty skin on it. Homeless hand.
Oh, nah. Yo, what's up, Pink Profile? Welcome to my stream. I can't read your names. I don't understand that language, but welcome to my channel. Yo, what's up, Yash? Welcome to the stream. I'm from Dominican Republic, yo. How are you?
Real good.
Yo, what's up, OG Bunk? Welcome to the stream. I'm doing pretty good. Hope you vibes. How about you, yo? How you doing today? Skittle is what's for breakfast. Yo, these are the... Look at that face, yo. It didn't make me do that face, but...
You
Still...
make a moaning face, bro.
That face is out of goodness, yeah. It's like, No, don't do it. Do you think you're gonna fix it? Do you think you're gonna fix it?
Fuck no.
He said, fuck no, but we're gonna see.
Try it, though.
Let me open my drink. Too. Pretty good.